This home is perfect for anyone who can't decide whether they want to live in Italy, France, or Switzerland, or who wants the best of all three countries, while taking advantage of the most affordable housing option in the region of Piedmont. Despite being surrounded by waterfalls, beautiful vistas and endless opportunities for Alpine activities, this property is only about an hour from the city of Turin and its international airport. One of the things we love about this house is the vaulted ceilings in the living and dining area, as well as all the light from the traditional chalet-style windows. According to the realtor, the property underwent a total renovation in 2014, including the electrical and plumbing systems. There are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, making this perfect for a small family or for a retired couple to escape to the countryside and entertain occasional family and guests. Outside, there is a stone-paved driveway, which doubles as a courtyard and a tranquil, private garden of about 1/3 of an acre, which is surrounded by nature. It's on the market for €110,000. If you'd like more information or have any questions, please contact the realtor directly. A link to their original listing and contact information is in the video notes below. And if you'd like to receive more homes like this in your inbox every week, please check out our website, liveyourdreamitaly.com. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.